Ever wondered how long it takes for a spaceship to blast off into the cosmos? From the moment the countdown begins to the thunderous roar of the engines, there's a complex sequence of events that unfold. Let's dive into the intricate details and uncover the timeline of a spacecraft launch. Before we delve into the specifics, it's crucial to understand that the launch duration can vary significantly depending on several factors. Type of rocket. Different rockets, like the mighty Saturn V or the sleek Falcon 9, have distinct launch profiles. Mission objectives. The mission's goals, whether it's a simple satellite deployment or a crewed mission to the moon, influence the launch sequence. Launch site. The geographical location of the launch site, including factors like weather conditions and local regulations, can impact the timeline. The countdown phase. The countdown is more than just a dramatic spectacle, it's a meticulously choreographed sequence of events. In the final minutes, engineers meticulously check the rocket systems, ensuring everything is primed for liftoff. This phase can last anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the complexity of the mission. Ignition and liftoff. Once the countdown reaches zero, the rocket's engines ignite, generating immense thrust. The initial moments after ignition are critical, as the rocket must overcome Earth's gravity and atmospheric drag. This phase is often the most visually striking, with plumes of fire and smoke engulfing the launch pad. Early ascent. As the rocket ascends, it gradually accelerates, shedding its lower stages to reduce weight. This phase can last several minutes, during which the spacecraft gains significant altitude and velocity. Orbital insertion. The final stage of the launch is the most challenging. The rocket must precisely maneuver into its desired orbit, whether it's a low Earth orbit, a geosynchronous orbit, or a trajectory to the Moon or Mars. This phase requires intricate calculations and precise engine burns. Post-launch activities. After the spacecraft successfully reaches its intended orbit, there's still work to be done. Engineers on the ground monitor the spacecraft systems, ensuring everything is functioning as expected. They may also deploy satellites, activate scientific instruments, or prepare the spacecraft for its mission. Factors affecting launch duration. Several factors can influence the overall launch duration. Weather conditions. Adverse weather, such as strong winds or heavy rain, can delay a launch. Technical issues. If any technical problems arise during the countdown or launch, the mission may be scrubbed and rescheduled. Mission complexity. More complex missions, like those involving multiple spacecraft or intricate maneuvers, may require longer launch sequences. While the exact duration of a spacecraft launch can vary, the general timeline involves a countdown, ignition, ascent, orbital insertion, and post-launch activities. By understanding the factors that influence the launch process, we can appreciate the incredible engineering and precision involved in sending spacecraft into space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.